Aquias Water Systems videos. For more videos visit www.watersoftenersystems.org or subscribe Tampa Water Softeners YouTube channel. What are the benefits of using a Tampa salt-free water softener? No-salt anti-scale systems work differently from salt-based systems. The main benefit of these systems is that they do not require salt. However, while a water softener physically removes the calcium and magnesium from the water, anti-scale systems coat the calcium and magnesium in the water in a CO2-based coating so it is less likely to stick to your plumbing and appliances. Although you may still get a small amount of calcium and magnesium spotting on glassware and glass shower doors, it will be reduced by about 90%. Any remaining spotting is fairly easy to wipe or clean off compared to the raw tap water. System filter maintenance is more expensive for these systems than our water conditioners as the anti-scale filter is still a very expensive filter from Germany. Also, as this system does not physically remove hard water minerals or heavy metals from the water, you will not save on any of your soap usages each year. Currently, the national average soap usage for a family of 4 is between $800 and $900 each year. If you have 2 people currently living in your home, you may spend closer to $400 to $500 each year on soaps. Within a number of years, salt-based systems tend to pay for themselves with these savings in soap usage. Also, these no-salt systems will not drastically change the feeling of the water. Salt-based systems can give the water a very slight slippery feeling during showers. If your rental homes do not currently have any water treatment systems on them, this technology could be a good technology to help protect your homes from damage, while not changing the feeling of the water for tenants. However, if you would also like very high quality bath water for your personal home, I would recommend one of our water conditioners. Most of our customers opt for one of our water conditioners over any other technology type.